Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out some new Dollar Tree makeup. Some of it is from LA Colors, their Let's Getaway line that I found recently. Then the other products are from their cat-inspired line. Those products were sent to me by one of my lovely Dollar Divas, and so I'm super excited to dive into those products today. So we've got new blushes, we've got highlighter, we've got eyeshadow, we've got a lip product, and so yeah, super excited to try this new makeup. So of course, if you're a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I'm basically a bargain makeup channel. What I mean by that is I like to do a lot of the same fun content that other makeup channels do. I just like to keep it in the bargain price point. So the closer to $1, the better. Hit that subscribe button and become part of our Dollar Diva family here on YouTube. And comment down below as we go through the video and let me know which of these products you've tried and what you think about them. You know I love to talk to you all. And other than watching and liking and sharing, it is the single-handedly best way to help me in my channel. And I love it. So definitely keep the comments coming and let me know what you like and what you've tried or what you have not found yet at your Dollar Tree. And yeah, so without any further chit-chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So for my brows, this was in a recent video of makeup that I was looking to declutter, and I decided to keep it. I actually thought it was going to be dried out, but it really wasn't, so I think it's still got a little life left in it. So it's the LA Colors Brow Pen. I think I got this is in dark brown. I think I got this at like Family Dollar or Dollar General a while back, so I'm going to use this for my brows today. And it creates a really nice soft effect. It really needs to be used up before it dries out. I'm also in the middle of literally in the middle of a declutter. I've got 2 more videos to film. I've already got 2 up. I'll have those linked down below if you like declutter videos. See, it creates a really nice, soft effect. So of course, LA Colors has come up with a couple new lines so far this spring. The Let's Getaway and the cat-inspired line. But I have not yet seen anything from Ioni. If you've seen a new collection yet from Ioni, definitely let me know. I'm like anxiously awaiting a new like display. I actually saw it at one of my local Dollar Trees where they brought back a new display of the what do they call it? The beauty fair, where they had the eyeshadows and the lip plumpers and stuff like that. And it was like a brand new display of it. I don't know if they brought it back or what the deal is, but nothing new yet. That might be about dried out, y'all. I'm gonna store it upside down over on in my little holster over here where I have like certain like things, and see if I can't maybe get another use out of it after this. Just gonna brush through them. Okay, so I just went ahead and cleaned up my brows with some concealer. This is either from Shein or Temu. We'll use it later on to conceal. And then the LA Colors eye primer. So now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. So my lovely Dollar Diva sent me 3 of the cat eyeshadow palettes. And I think I'm gonna probably go into all 3. You've got Furrr-Real, it's like a pink kind of a color story. You've got Un-furrr-gettable, y'all. This is like a purple color story. Then you've got Meownificiant. It's like a kind of a peachy coral tan type color story. I've not even opened or swatched these yet. I will do that here. So like these packages, they're really actually pretty thick. And they're just so cute, you guys. Really, LA Colors really got us this time. Of course, I'm hoping they're the same amazing quality that we've come to know with LA Colors quads. So here are all of the color stories. It's a really pretty palette, like all on its own, like a 12 pan. Get some beautiful shades. So I'm super excited. This shade here seems to have a little bit of a duochrome effect. It's got like a peachy gold, just really pretty. So I'm gonna go into this shade here, kind of for an all over base shade. I'm just gonna lay this all over my lid. As I always say, this is really just to kind of create a nice smooth base for the other eyeshadows to glide over. So it does not have to do a whole lot more than that. I haven't completely thought this look through. I'm gonna go into this one here. This is Meownificiant, and go into that shade right there. A lot of these shades are kind of slightly more dusty shades, nothing super bold. So this should probably be really like a soft look. I'm gonna blend that out with a kind of a clean brush. But so far they're going on nice and pigmented, about as pigmented as you need them to like I said, they're kind of softer colors, but they seem to be really nice and creamy. So we've been having a lot of discussion about nails. I did change I learned better how to prep my nails and stuff to paint them myself. So I took off the pink metallic and I put the red on from Ioni. And this hopefully should stay a little bit longer. So a lot of you guys really like press-on nails. I haven't had much luck because they just seem to pop off all the time. I have even, you know, filed my nails down, you know, and used alcohol and then put them on and literally had them pop off like instantly. And I just don't have the patience for that. I'm a very, very low maintenance person, you guys. The fact that I even started going to get my nails done like almost a year ago is a lot for me. So I can't I just don't like to spend all that time just fussing and gluing and not feeling like I can do anything because I do a lot. You know what I mean? Like I'm a little hard on my nails. But I would love to have press-ons work for me because Dollar Tree sells so many amazing ones. I'm always in awe. I just know I can't wear them. You know what I mean? But if you have any tricks, maybe there's something I'm missing. I don't know. And definitely let me know how long yours stay on when you get, if you use press-ons, let me know how long they stay on for you. My mind can always be changed. So I'm going to go into this color story here now, Unforgettable, and go into that shade there and see how it kind of deepens up. Actually, no, I'm not. I lied about that. I'm going to go into this shade right here and use that to deepen it up a little bit. Just going to use that same brush unless I decide I need to use something a little bit more compact. See, that's really doing a very nice job. I would say that these are, even though they're like softer color stories, they're every bit as pigmented as, you know, the other LA Colors quads that we've come to love. I'm going to use kind of like a longer bristle brush to really blend this. Okay, so we kind of get our base laid down, and this is where I don't know what I'm going to do, you guys. I really like that shimmer right there. I think that's beautiful. That with the gold. Part of me also wants to kind of go into that purple. I'm going to go into that shade right there just because it looks really fun. I'm going to take my flat brush and go into that, and then I'm going to spray my brush, of course. I did put a new sprayer on this setting spray I'm trying to get rid of. Something about the sprayer, my last Get Ready With Me, the sprayer was not really acting right. So I just put one on from another bottle. Really pretty. Like I said, this is going to be like kind of a little bit more of a subtle makeup look. That's a beautiful shade though. There we go. There we are so far. I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I may leave it that soft and then do something on the inner corner. That's actually really, really pretty. So I'm going to leave the eyeshadow there for right now. Of course, as always, we come back and finish the eyes. If you've been with me, you know. So I'm going to apply a coat of mascara, and then we're going to come back and I have a liquid liner from the Cat line that I'm going to be trying. So I will be right back. Okay, just did a coat of mascara. I just used the Ioni PhatLash. That was also in the video of makeup I was looking to declutter, but I figured I'd just keep it and use it for under my eyelashes. So they have this is called the I've Got My Cat Eye on You. They're liquid liners from the Kitty line, and I've got white, it's Whisker white, and I've got Calico brown. So I might use this one here, like, I don't know, like an inner corner highlight or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to use the white one as well because I've never used a white liquid liner, but I'm gonna use the brown here today. Like I said, they do have black, and they might have another one too. Y'all, that is too cute for words. Like, seriously. I'm sure this is kind of like their liquid liner they have all the time. It's a little bit of a bigger container, and I do like their liquid liner. There we go. That's really nice. The brown is a really nice color too for this eye look because this is going to be a little bit of like a softer palette. So the brown is really nice to like not be too harsh, you know. Very easy to use. Really, really nice. I love the brown. Of course, the packaging is just to die for. So cute. So I'm going to put on these lashes that were from my full face of makeup from Five Below. They're the LA Colors DramatiLash half lashes. So I'm going to apply these, and I'm going to also apply my foundation, concealer, and powder. And then we're going to come back and try a new blush and highlighter. I will be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I did my complexion products. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. Something feels a little uneven though. I don't know if it's my line or my brain or what it is, but anyways, moving on. So my Dollar Diva had sent me, I think 3 shades of blush, and I'm gonna go with this one here. This is You're Looking Perfectly Peachy Pawsome. And this is the shade Pawsome, not possum like the animal, but Pawsome, like awesome. Again, it comes in the same super cute packaging like that. So I'm not gonna use bronzer today. I'm just gonna use blush and highlighter today. So this just looks to be like a nice subtle shade. Although I'm gonna still really try not to go overboard though. Oh, that's really, really soft. Okay. That's a really, really pretty shade. Very, very, very soft. And yeah, really, really like it. Excited to try the other two shades as well. But yeah, I didn't go overboard, which is really nice. And yeah, just a really nice, subtle, kind of peachy shade. Sometimes peach or coral shades tend to be like really bright, so I like the softness of that. So now I've got the LA Colors Let's Getaway highlighter. I think I got two shades of this. This is in the shade Sunburst. So it comes with a little, little sponge tip applicator. So I'm gonna apply this where you would highlighter and immediately go in with my stippling brush. That's really pretty. Very easy to blend. Doesn't seem like it has like chunky glitter in it. Just seems like a really nice highlighter effect. Really beautiful. Just perfect for a glow. That is beautiful. What a beautiful, beautiful effect. I think the other shade is a little bit more on the golder side. So yeah, that's just a really nice kind of neutral color. So really, really love it. And I think I am going to apply a little bit of bronzer. This is also in that video of makeup I was wanting to declutter. It's the Be Pure bronzer. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. I'm not going to go super crazy. But honestly, this is a very subtle bronzer anyway. I do feel like I need a little something. And I don't have a new one to test, so we'll just use this. Why not? This is one of those things I decided to keep. It made a really nice eyeshadow shade as well, like a crease shade. So there we go, just a nice little light bronzing effect. And it goes really nice with this kind of subtle, softer makeup look. So now back to the eyes. I'm definitely gonna smoke out under my eyes in the shade, and I think the shade I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna combine those two shades right there. I'm gonna use like a smudger brush. I'm just gonna go into both of those, just kind of mix them. So I'm gonna also line my waterline with the LA Colors Auto Liner. I will be right back. So now I'm gonna add an under the brow bone highlight and an inner corner highlight. I do have that white eyeliner too. Let me swatch it and kind of see what it does. Let me know down below if you have used a white liquid liner. I've of course used pencil liners that were white. There you go, it looks pretty pigmented. I guess this is something like, you can, like a lot of people I've seen where you do like a black line and then you do like a white line near it. I've never done that before. Let me see what kind of an effect this has in the inner corner. Not really what I want. Let me try it up in the, kind of is like a nice brow bone highlight. Ultimately, I don't know that I'll be able to get a lot of use out of the white eyeliner, but it is cool to try it and see. Let me know of any like good uses for like a white eyeliner, because I'd be very curious to know, because sometimes I am a little behind on things. So I think I'm just gonna leave that there. That will end up being fine, but I need to do an inner corner highlight. I think I might just go into this really super light pink shade that we used at the beginning, and I'm gonna pack it on like just a little thin brush and see if this doesn't brighten up the inner corner a little bit. A little bit, not a whole lot. Sometimes you just lack colors that, you know, are what you need, you know. Let's see, plan B. Might go into that gold shade that's in here and try that out. That's kind of the lightest shimmer, I feel. So I'm gonna pack that on, then I'm gonna spray the brush. Okay, that's doing a little bit more. It's still not super, it's still not like what I really like in an inner corner highlight, which is something a little bit more dramatic, but this is kind of a softer look anyway, and it does have a little bit, it is pigmented, it's just a slightly different type of shade. I drag a little bit of this color up as well. Kind of brighten up the inner part of the eye just a little bit. So the eye look is done, so now we're gonna move on to lips. And my lovely Dollar Divas sent me 3 of their lip glosses that are in the kitten line. This is the Gimme a Kitty Kiss. I think I have a purple one that's like pomegranate or something. And then I've got a pink one that's strawberry, and so I just decided to go with orange today because I kind of had a feeling I'd probably do something kind of a little bit more on the peachier side. And I don't think these really have color as much as their scent, but that is like so super cute. Look at the little tail. They're adorable. It looks to have a little tinge of a color, but of course it's gonna pretty much read clear on your lips. Definitely tastes good, definitely tastes like orange. Not sticky at all. Feels really, really nice on the lips. Like I said, not really, it's more clear than anything. But you know, LA Colors makes really good little lip glosses. So that feels really, really nice on the lips and just a nice simple way to finish off this simple, soft makeup look. So there is the finished product. Like I said, just very simple, very soft, kind of nice for spring, using new LA Colors makeup from both their Kitty line and Let's Getaway line. So super fun. Thank you so much to my Dollar Diva for sending me these products. I still have a couple of blushes to try, a couple of the other flavors of lip gloss to try. Of course, I've got another shade of this to try, as well as a blush. I got 2 shades of blush as well. So definitely stay tuned for more new makeup videos. So I definitely have more stuff to try in the future. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, show me you did by hitting the like button. Definitely check out related content as well as my entire Get Ready With Me playlist, linked down below. That way you can binge watch more of my content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.